Hi friends, today let's solve the questions related to audio and video systems in 2019 AP ESET question paper. So let's go to the first question. What is the length? The length of a sweep screen in a television is controlled by, generally sweep screen is controlled by horizontal gain. So you have to see the picture of this. So if you see this horizontal deflection beam at this particular point, okay, so horizontal gain will be controlling the length of the sweep screen. Next, in a TV receiver set, sound and video signals are separated at which particular point? This generally happens at the video detector stage. Remember the basic diagram. So you have your receiver antenna connected to a RF tuner, which is connected to a common IF amplifier, and then you will be having a video detector, and this is a stage which is connected to the sound IF amplifier followed by a FM sound demodulator. So observe, video detector is a particular stage where you have this segregation of sound and video signals. So some part is given to the sound IF amplifier and then FM sound demodulation, and then you will be having video amplification stage. So for better understanding, I'll try to show you the pictorial representation. So see this, at video detector stage you have two outputs, one for the video amplifier and the other for the sound input where it is getting demodulator. Now see the question is asking the same thing. So in TV receiver, at what stage sound and video signals are separated? So try to remember the block diagram because the question can be framed on it. Next, in a TV receiver set, if both and sound and picture are weak and distorted, the problem is most likely to occur. Now if you observe, if you inspect a cable connection between a TV tuner and a coaxial cable, if the cable is loose, you are going to experience audio and video issues. So if you observe this particular question, so basically at the tuner stage, if there is a problem, you will be having weak sound and distorted picture. Okay. Next, in color TV receivers, what is ATC? ATC is automatic tint control. So automatic tint control is done by a circuit which is used in a color television receiver to maintain correct tones when a station changes a camera or switches to commercials by correcting the phase errors before chrome signal is demodulated. So observe, it is basically used to correct tones and phase errors before the chrome signal is demodulated. So here the answer is automatic tint control. This is the explanation for this. Interlacing is used in TV frames. Now what is interlacing? Interlacing provides full vertical details with same bandwidth that would be required for full progressive scan, but with twice the perceived frame rate and refresh rate. So basically, to prevent flicker, all analog broadcast televisions system use interlacing. This is the important point. So interlace is simply a method of scanning technique that stitches two successive image reads for a camera. So if you observe, interlacing is basically used to avoid flickering. So if you want to understand it, I will show you the concept here. So interlace, observe this, you have two fields, odd field and even field. So in this method of scanning, you use two successive images to read it, and it is basically used to prevent flicker in analog broadcast television. Now this image is available in the web link. provided in the description of this particular YouTube video. So with this, the questions related to audio and video systems are completed in this paper. So friends, let's solve questions related to audio and video systems in 2020 AP ECET question paper. So the first question, what does AFC stand for? AFC stands for automatic frequency control, which is also called automatic fine tuning, and this basically is a method or circuit to automatically keep a resonant circuit tuned to a particular frequency of an incoming radio signal. Remember, it is a circuit which is used to keep the resonant circuit tuned to a particular frequency of incoming radio signal, and it is basically used in radio receivers to keep the receiver tuned to a particular desired station. So what is it? Automatic frequency control. Next, the purpose of sync separator in a television receiver is, so basically sync separator is to slice the sync pulses of a composite video waveform and separate them into line and field such that the feed of each one is to its time base. The process must be immune for the changes in amplitude and picture composition of the video signal. So if you remember, the basic purpose is to separate the sync pulses into two forms, line and field. Next, automatic correction of color error is possible exactly in PAL system. So in color television systems, color information is basically carried by the chrominance carrier, whose amplitude represents the saturation and phase, also the hue. Now PAL, what is it? PAL is a self-correcting system in which the hue errors as well as the differential phase is added with the complexity. So sound system uses which type of PAL transmitter? Generally sound in PAL transmitter is FM in nature. So next, if the frequency of a sound wave is 20 Hz, the time period is very simple. Time period is simply 1 by frequency. Here it is 1 by 20, which is 0.05 seconds. So this is the answer. With this, the questions related to 2020 ECET are completed.